What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be putting up the Huawei Mate SE up against the Nokia 6.1. If you guys want to go ahead and look at the specs, you guys can go ahead and take a look at those on GSM Arena, but they definitely have very similar specs. For example, both these devices do have 4 GB of RAM, so in that area I think we are going to tie. But I think the most interesting thing is that on the Nokia 6.1 we actually have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 630, and on the Huawei Mate SE we actually have the Kirin 659 processor. So we're gonna see who wins in this competition. I honestly think it's going to be a tie, seeing that their specs are so similar. Put in the comments down below who you think is gonna win, and let's go ahead and start this test. Stay tuned. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start it. Alright guys, like I guessed, the phones are just about tied right now. They are neck and neck, and they are on the same animations, so yeah. Okay guys, so both phones are still neck and neck, which leads me to believe this is going to be a tie or very, very close. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what happens. Alright, so it looks like we are now finished, and the Nokia 6.1 actually just took the win with a score of 90,650, just under the Mate SE, which produced a score of 89,717. So first of all, let's go ahead and start off with the Mate SE. Guys, this is basically a tie. These devices are pretty much the same. I mean, the specifications are pretty much identical, so honestly, like, if any of you are pissed off that the Mate SE lost, don't, because it's still a great phone. But yeah, let's go ahead and go to the Mate SE. So the Mate SE got a score of 89,717, defeated 18% of users. For the CPU score, we received a score of 42,141, defeated 43% of users. For a GPU score, we got a score of 13,202, defeating 5% of users. For our UX score, we got a score of 24,306, defeating 12% of users. And for our MEM score, we got a score of 10,068, defeating 49% of users. Now on to the Nokia score. Now this device did technically win, but we still did beat an exact amount of people with the Nokia 6.1 than the Mate did as well, because we got a score of 90,650, but we both defeated 18% of users. Now as you guys saw, the CPU was much better on the Mate SE. We got a couple thousand more on the CPU score for the Mate SE, so the Mate SD did do better on the CPU score, but this one got a 39,647 score, defeating 37% of users. And for a GPU, we did murder the Mate SE, and we got a score of 19,806, defeating 13% of users, 6,000 more than the Mate SE, or actually 6,600 more. So we're definitely going to try gaming on here and see how that ends up and see how it goes. But you know, I think game is probably going to be better on this device. Now for our UX score, we got a score 1,000 more than the Mate SE, and we did get a score of 25,286, defeating 14% of users. And our MEM score, we pretty much got 4,000 less than the Mate SE. We got a score of 5,911, and we defeated 1% of users. So really good stuff from both these devices. Obviously this device costs a little bit more, you know, it's $269. Mate SE is about $235 or $230 right now. So, you know, both devices are great. I'm definitely going to give you my full review on the Nokia 6.1 6.1, and we're going to be doing some other tests as well. But if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also turn on the notifications so you guys are notified every time I do upload. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and sign out. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.